Ammonia is an essential industrial ingredient, which has wide application in fertilizer, refrigerant, and renewable energy. The traditional Haber-Bosch ammonia synthesis needs catalysts, high temperature and high pressure. As a result, the process contributes 1.6% of the global carbon dioxide emission. Photocatalytic ammonia synthesis can produce clean energy and slow down global warming. In my research, we prepared some novel catalysts with unique morphology and band structure. Under sunlight irradiation, electrons are excited, and catalysts can convert nitrogen to ammonia in solutions. By controlling the nanostructure of the catalysts, we expect to achieve excellent nitrogen fixation performance. It is sustainable, environmental benign, and will reduce global climate change.